baller. With the 7-inch collar. Something. Working in a parking lot. Bump up a parking lot. Bump, bump, bump. Working off of our solar power right now, which is really awesome. That we can use these big tools, all from solar. Thank you, Mama Sun. Because nothing's ever easy, as we've come to find out. And since some of these boards are warped? Yeah, some of the boards are warped, which
just a little bit.
Usually they are, yeah. But it's warped just enough so that they don't line up enough, like tongue and groove. So we've had to like shave a little bit off of some of the boards to make them fit together. Issues. But our ceiling is gonna look really nice. Cedar ceiling, and it's going along pretty well. Just for anybody else that's trying to do ceiling like this, trying to figure out what to do, one of the main things is we wanted to make sure when we were putting our ceiling up, it was kind of offset so that there wasn't a break in a line all across one area. We kind of wanted it to look natural. So I'm going to go over really quick how we did that. What we did is we first cut all the lines. We cut wood pieces that would go up to things like our AC. We cut the strips down the middle that went to our vent fan. And then we went all the way to the top. And then from here what we did is we would start on one end, run a board, and then secure it into our framing strips that we put up before. And then, run another board, cut it at a furring strip or a framing strip, and take it down to the end. And then we would start at this end and run a board all the way, and then cut it at a furring strip, which gave it a different length coming back this way. Yeah, we have a ceiling. Now for walls. Ron's working and can't argue as much. I want to take a quick minute and say how right I was about how much ceiling we needed, because I did some weird ass Cali math in my head instead of using Home Depot's calculator, and I was right.
First off, I didn't use Home Depot's calculator. Second off, it wasn't just weird ass math. It was like made up numbers dividing by other made up numbers.
But I was right.